pay with Apple Pay on Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay with your Apple Pay in your Uber Eats account. So first of all, you need to open your Uber Eats account, and once you're open the Uber Eats account, then you need to log into your account. And once you're logged in into your Uber Eats account, then you have to click on the profile icon from the top right corner in your Uber Eats account. And once you're there, you need to scroll down, and under the money section you will be able to see all these options like buy gift card, claim gift card, wallet, credit, and manage payment method. So you need to click on manage payment methods. And here, as you can see that there are options available like add credit or debit card, phone pay, UPI, and other options available. So in order to use your Apple Pay in your Uber Eats account, you need to click on add credit or debit card, and over here you need to have your Apple Pay card handy with you. And once you got the card, you need to enter your Apple Pay card name over here in the top tab which says name on card. And after that, you need to mention your Apple Pay card number on the card number section, and from there just enter the expiry date and select the nickname on the card. And once you're done adding your Apple Pay card, you need to click on add and secure card, and that's how your Apple Pay card will be added into your Uber Eats account. And once it is added as a default payment method option, you will be able to pay with your Apple Pay in your Uber Eats. So that's how simple it is to use your Apple Pay in your Uber Eats account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.